it gets in kind of hosed. I'm not that worried.
What are you going at, Mr. President? What costume?
Hi, everybody. Nice to see you. Happy Halloween. So, I guess you know I'm our cat, Willow. Do you know her? Hi, how are you? Nice to see you.
Administration's withholding over $7 million from HYGO, the loan servicer, after they failed to send billing statements out to 2.5 million student loan borrowers. And there were 800,000 borrowers who were delinquent then on their loans because of these glitches. How concerned is the administration about these problems persisting as the student loan repayment continues? And do you know how many millions of Americans might be caught up with some of these errors right now?
So it's a very good question. I don't have a number of how many, we don't have a number right now to share how many Americans or borrowers, student borrowers are being affected by the glitches. Obviously, this is something that we take very seriously. This is something.
As quickly, I asked you about this in July because Republican and Democratic senators had warned about this midsummer. They sent a loan to some of these service providers, or sent a letter to the loan servicers saying that they were going to be poorly prepared for the restart, and they were worried about problems like this. Why are these issues happening? Was this surprising to the White House that there are now problems when the repayments started?
So want to get more information and get this more into context before I answer you on this question. Obviously, again, when it comes to the glitches that you're mentioning, we want to make sure this process is easy and smooth. So obviously, we take this very seriously. I just don't.
On AI, is the White House experimenting or using AI in any way right now?
I don't have anything to report on the White House experimenting ourselves with AI. I don't have anything on that.
You're not AI. You're the Winfield, right?
I don't know. Go ahead, Karen. So we're going to see the president, as someone just mentioned to me and asked about Congress. We're going to see the president continue to lead on this. We need Congress to act. We heard from Senator